Matt Jahnke, I'm the Precision Farming Specialist from our Crawfordsville location with Bain Wilker Equipment. Today I'm going to talk about section control and how to change that through the Pro 1200 display. So for setting section control through a Pro 1200 display, you're going to come up to your menu button and go to work condition and overlap settings. From there you can turn your boundary control on and off and your overlap control on and off. With boundary control, this is going to shut off rows on this planter as you exit a predetermined boundary, and the way this is set up is 1% of each section, or each row in this case, is going to be outside the boundary when it shuts off. With our overlap control, it's going to be the same idea. So our overlap percentage, this is saying that 99% of that 30-inch section for each row is going to be outside or into a covered area before that row shuts off. And same way when it turns on. Our start early distance is exactly what it sounds like. This is how much earlier you want it to start coming out of coverage or coming out of a boundary than what it is. So our stop late distance is how much further you want it to plant into coverage or into that boundary before it shuts off. So setting these is going to require some time getting in and out of the cab, planting passes, digging for seed. The biggest thing with these is being careful when you dig your seed. Most seed, is 6 to 7 inches on a spacing on 20-inch or 30-inch rows. So with that, you've got a 6 to 7 inch resolution. So make sure you start well into coverage or well out of coverage. Start finding seed, and then work your way back up to where it's supposed to shut off. One thing that I like to do while I'm digging that seed is, instead of just digging the trench and finding each seed and figure out where section control is, I'll actually open that up and dig a cross section, and that'll tell me where the seed is, but it'll also tell me my planting depth. It'll tell me if my closing system's doing its job correctly, if my cleaning, if you got row cleaners or no-till coulters, it'll tell me if those are set correctly. So taking some time and setting your section control, you can gain a lot of insight on your planter, as well as save yourself a lot of time and money on seed. Yeah, so I'm about 20 inches over. Looks like that was the last one there. Just over there. So I know that row to that row is 20, so just over it. Turning off too late, turning on too soon. Yeah, it's a whole lot better than the alternative. So, alright, well, I'm between the first and second row now. I'm going to pull about another 6 inches out of the turn on time, and I got to check the turn off again, but you should be pretty well set. I didn't know when you were going to get started. Right. Yeah. Yeah, now you ought to be able to hit the ground running. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'll pull a little bit more out of this one, check the other one, but I think we're playing with inches now instead of feet. So, all right. It almost seems like it starts faster. It's running longer coming in and starting faster going out than what your old planter did. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Kyle.